Hi guys, today we're in Grand Mountain, Washington at Great Wolf Lodge to check out the water park. We're going to ride every slide. Let's go explore.
Great Wolf Lodge in Grand Mountain, Washington is an amazing destination packed with fun activities and adventures. But the best part of this family resort has to be the water park, which has several pools and play areas as well as tons of cool water slides. First up, let's check out Fort MACKENZIE. This multi-level treehouse is filled with interactive water toys and kid-activated splash features which are guaranteed to get you drenched. Just be sure to listen for the bell because when it rings, the gigantic dump bucket on top is ready to tip. At the top of Fort MACKENZIE are two slides known as Totem Towers. These slides are perfect for younger guests or are a great way to warm up before hitting some of the more extreme thrills. The red and yellow slides each offer a different experience with some tight twists and turns before you hit the splash zone. Next, let's grab a tube and climb the stairs to Alberta Falls, a pair of thrilling green and blue slides which stand 4 stories tall. These tube slides send riders flying through a series of swiftly banking turns and steep pitches, taking you out and around the building. The slides offer an exciting adventure for all ages, and riders can choose a single tube if they want to ride alone, or a double tube if they want to ride with friends. Next, let's climb up to the very top to take on the tallest rides in the park. Grab your friends or family and head to River Canyon Run. This 4-person rafting adventure sends you careening and dipping through the bending curves on a river of fun. And the biggest slide in the park is the Howling Tornado, which drops riders 6 stories into a massive funnel before making a splashdown. When you need a break from the slides, head over to Slaptail Pond. Kids of all ages love to splash and play in the rolling waves, which start every 5 minutes. Older kids can swim in the 5-foot deep end, while little ones enjoy the shallows of the zero-depth entry. You can also head over to swim and splash at CHINOOK COVE. Or grab a ball and work on your hook shots, free throws, and rebounds while playing some water basketball. Then make your way to Bigfoot Pass, where you can attempt to cross a series of giant floating lily pads while hanging onto cargo nets to try to avoid a plunge. There's also the Bear Track Landing Pool with miniature slide and water activities for the little ones. And the Cub Pop Pool, a zero-depth entry play area designed for toddlers. So whether you enjoy swimming or slides, the water park at Great Wolf Lodge has something for everyone.
Hope you enjoyed checking out the water park with me. Remember to keep exploring, and until next time, it's time to exit through the gift shop.